Tia here with Mastering Pop, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a push notification with Shopify app PushOwl. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to set up a push notification with Shopify app PushOwl. But before I do this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you're notified every time I upload a video. I upload videos on digital marketing and SEO that will help you to scale your store faster. Also, if you're interested in learning how to increase your store's conversion rate, average order value, and you're ready to start getting repeat customers, I have a free ebook available to download titled The No Fail Get More Repeat Customer System. You can find the link for this ebook in the description below. Okay, so I just set up a push notification. I'm doing it for my this product right here, Bob Marley hemp wraps. So if we click on it, you can see it right here. I decided to use this image versus of a single box, and I have emojis in my title, Bob Marley hemp wraps. I have the amount of flavors options that they have, 10 flavors. I added some more emojis of the flavors that are available. I let them know that 25 packs, and this is the URL right here for the actual product page. And then here's the hero image. There was a white background and I removed the background, so I used remove.bg so that I could remove the background white color. I decided that instead of using my logo, I used my favicon, which is just FPP. I felt that it stood out more than Flower Power packages because you could barely read Flower Power packages. I also added the Shop Now button, which is for the actual product, and then I have also an option if they clicked on hemp wraps, which would take them to my hemp wrap collection, which is right here, so they can see all the blunt wraps that I have available. So I chose to use two buttons. This is it right here, button 1, button 2. I'm still, of course you're limited with the amount of words or letters that you can place here if you want to have two buttons, because it can't be too long. So shop now or buy now always works best. So you can see right here, this is what it looks like on Chrome. This is what it looks like on Mac, Windows. So now I'm getting ready to publish it because it's going to go out right now. So I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like for me. Again, emojis are really important. So I have emoji in the title and the actual description. And I removed the white background for the product. And I chose to use two buttons. All right. Hopefully this helps with you setting up your push notifications. All right, I hope you get started with PushOwl. I use PushOwl. All of my members to my membership site, they use PushOwl. And if you want a 30-day extended trial, you can click the link below. You will get access to not only 30 days, but you'll be able to use the enterprise features. Also, don't forget to claim my free ebook if you're interested in learning how to increase your store's conversion rate, average order value, and you're ready to start getting repeat customers. The link is also below.